Stuck trying to share your screen on Discord? Here's exactly how to go live in under 30 seconds. So you're in a voice channel, you've got something cool to show, maybe a game you're crushing, a presentation you're working on, or just a browser tab you want everyone to see. But that little screen share button, it's hiding somewhere, and you don't want to fumble around while everyone's waiting. First things first, join a voice channel. That's your home base for all this. Then you're going to click the screen share icon, pick what you want to share, and hit Go Live. That's it. Let me walk you through each part so you never have to ask again. All right, step one is simple, but it's where a lot of people get tripped up. You have to actually be inside a voice channel before you can share anything. So open up your Discord, find the server you want, and look over on the left side for the list of voice channels. They're usually grouped together, often with a little speaker icon next to them. Just click on the one you and your friends are hanging out in. You'll hear yourself connect. Your little avatar will pop up down at the bottom of the channel list, and now you're ready for the next part. Now that you're connected, let's find that screen share button. It's right above your user status, down in the bottom left corner of the Discord window. It looks like a little monitor with an arrow coming out of it. A lot of people miss it because they're searching up near the top of the screen, but it's always down there, sitting next to your mute and deafen buttons. Give it a click. And when you do, a new window pops up. This is where you decide exactly what you want everyone to see. And here's the really important part. You've got two main choices. You can share a specific application, like your web browser or a single game window, or you can share your entire screen, which is just your whole desktop. In my experience, sharing just an application is usually the way to go. It keeps things clean and private. Nobody needs to see your other tabs or that folder of memes you've got open. So if you're showing a presentation, pick that presentation app. If you're streaming a game, pick that game. You'll see a little preview on the right side of the pop-up, and you can even tweak the stream quality and frame rate down at the bottom. For most things, the default settings work great, but if you want smoother video, bump up the frame rate. So once you've picked what you want to share, there's just one more step. Hit that bright blue Go Live button at the bottom of the pop-up. And just like that, you're streaming. Everybody in your voice channel will see your screen or your application pop up on their end, and a little green live indicator will appear next to your name. They can click on your stream to make it bigger, and you can keep talking to them the whole time. If you ever want to stop, just click the screen share button again or hit the stop streaming option right there in that same bottom left corner. And that's really all there is to it. From being stuck and not knowing where to click, you can now jump into any voice channel and share your screen in just a few seconds. Pretty handy, right? Go ahead and give it a try the next time you're in a call.